What's up, YouTube? We're back with another video today. Today's gonna be the first startup in a small ride on the KX125 before we actually tear it down. It's had a problem with fouling spark plugs because the original owner ran 30-to-1 mix in it, and you just should never run 30-to-1 mix in it, even on a break-in. Voice crack. I think it should run good today. It's about 40 degrees with snow on the ground, so we're gonna try it out. All right, so we're gonna get the first start up here and see how she runs. I know the idle was a little bit weird earlier, so I lowered it down. And this is about 40-degree cold start, so it's been sitting in the garage for about a week or so. So we'll get the gas on here and try it. Go ahead and let it get warmed up here. So yeah, that's kind of the first ride on it in the snow. That was kind of sketchy over there. I just found some dirt. But it was running really rich when I got it, because obviously it was running 30-to-1. So what I did is I added a little more gas, regular gas, non-mix, to the mixture just to lean it out a little. And it almost sounded like it was a little lean there because there was no smoke coming out of the exhaust. So what I'm gonna actually do is end up draining all that gas and just restart with 40-to-1 mix. And then she should run better from there. Looks like we're gonna have some cleaning to do. But yeah, I love this bike so far. It's got plenty of power for me. But it's a different kind of power. Two strokes have a weird kind of power compared to like my 450. And so yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next video, and hopefully that'll be either tearing down this video or getting this dent out of the exhaust, which is also going to get all polished up. But yeah, thanks for watching.